students, a very warm welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are fit and healthy, and I'm sure you are excited to learn with me. So, myself Divyani Shukla, your SST teacher, and today I'm going to teach you your chapter number 11, which is natural resources water. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about our natural resource water. Water, which is very important for any living species living on the earth. Water is used for cooking, drinking, bathing, and for many other purposes. And most of the water in India it is covered in ज्यादातर जो वाटर है वो हमारा स्टोर्ड है ओशियंस में, यानी कि डेट इज सॉल्टी वाटर विच इज नॉट फिट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, और जो अदर रिमेनिंग फ्रेश वाटर है वो फ्रोजन है. So let's begin with this chapter. Here are some common water sources. Sort them into surface water and ground water. तो यहाँ पे कुछ water sources हैं, इन्हें हमें sort करना है surface water and underground water sources में. Like the first one is lake. It is a surface water or ground water source. It's a surface water because it remains on surface. Borewell is underground. Like this, you can sort them into surface water and ground water. Moving to the chapter, imagine a day without water. It would be very difficult. All living things need water to survive. We use water for drinking, cooking, washing clothes and many other activities. Plants and animals need water to survive. तो क्या आप imagine कर सकते हैं day without water? It would not be possible. It would be very difficult because every living being like human beings, plants and animals need water for drinking and many other purposes. Now, the first topic is water on Earth. About 97% of Earth's water is salt water found in oceans. Most of the remaining fresh water is frozen in glaciers and polar ice caps. Only a small amount of fresh water is available to use for us. तो हमारा 97% जो अर्थ का वाटर है वो सॉल्ट वाटर है विच इज फाउंड इन ओशियंस एंड इज नॉट फिट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. मोस्ट ऑफ द रिमेनिंग फ्रेश वाटर इज फ्रोजन इन ग्लेशियर्स या फिर पोलर आइस कैप्स. केवल एक स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर ही अवेलेबल है हमारे यूज के लिए. नेक्स्ट इज सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर. हमें वाटर कहां से मिलता है? First is rain. Rain is the main source of water, but some places do not get enough rain. To help these areas, the government has introduced many ways of irrigation. This helps farmers get water for their crops without waiting for rain. तो rain जो है वो main source of water है, लेकिन कुछ places में enough rain नहीं होती. To overcome from this problem, government ने introduce किए हैं different ways of irrigation, जिसने farmers की मदद की है to get water for their crops. So let's see what are the methods of irrigation in India. In India, the main methods of irrigation are, first method is canals. Canals are channels dug to carry water from rivers or dams to fields. They can transport water to faraway places. India has a good network of canals. Some important canals are. तो canals क्या हैं? Channels जगह जो कि water को carry करते हैं rivers या dam से कहाँ तक ले जाते हैं? Fields तक. वो water को transport कर सकते हैं faraway places में. इंडिया का एक गुड नेटवर्क ऑफ कैनल्स है. कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट कैनल्स है लाइक इंदिरा गांधी कैनल विच इज फाउंड इन राजस्थान, बकिंगहाम कैनल विच इज लोकेटेड इन तमिलनाडु एंड आंध्र प्रदेश, आगरा कैनाल इन उत्तर प्रदेश एंड सिरहिंद कैनाल फाउंड इन पंजाब. Now, the next method of irrigation in wells. When it rains, some water seeps into the ground. This underground water can be taken out using wells. In villages, wells are used for drinking water and farming. For deeper, tube wells are dug and water is pumped out using electricity. Tube wells are common in states like Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. तो जब बारिश होती है तो कुछ रेन वाटर जो है वो सीप्स इनटू द ग्राउंड में स्टोर्ड हो जाता है एंड दैट रेन वाटर कैन बी टेकन आउट बाय यूजिंग वेल्स. विलेजेस में ज्यादातर वेल्स यूज होते हैं फॉर ड्रिंकिंग एंड फार्मिंग. डीपर वाटर लेने के लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं ट्यूबवेल्स का, in which by using electricity water is pumped out. ट्यूबवेल्स को कॉमनली यूज किया जाता है इन स्टेट्स लाइक उत्तर प्रदेश, पंजाब एंड हरियाणा. Next method of irrigation is tanks. In rocky areas like the southern plateaus, it is hard to dig wells. People collect rainwater in tanks or ponds. Tanks are widely used in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. तो rocky areas जैसे कि southern plateau में वहां पे wells को dig करना बहुत ही difficult है. So water is collected in tanks or either ponds. Tanks को use किया जाता है widely in states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Now the next heading is dams and water reservoirs. A dam is a concrete structure built across a river to store water. A large lake forms behind the dam and water is used for irrigation, drinking and producing electricity. Dams also help flood control. Many dams are also popular tourist spot. Dams that serve multi-purposes are called multi-purpose projects. After India's independence, many dams are built. Our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru called dams the temples of modern India. तो डैम क्या है? एक कंक्रीट स्ट्रक्चर है जो कि रिवर के क्रॉस बिल्ड किया जाता है वाटर को स्टोर करने के लिए. एक लार्ज लेक जो है वो फॉर्म करती है. एक लार्ज लेक फॉर्म होती है डैम के पीछे और वाटर को यूज किया जाता है फॉर इरिगेशन, ड्रिंकिंग एंड प्रोड्यूसिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. डैम्स फ्लड्स को भी कंट्रोल करते हैं और बहुत सारे डैम्स जो हैं वो पॉपुलर टूरिस्ट स्पॉट्स भी हैं. डैम्स जो कि मल्टीपर्पज सर्व करते हैं उन्हें मल्टीपर्पज प्रोजेक्ट्स कहते हैं. इंडिया की इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद मेनी डैम्स वर बिल्ड एंड जो हमारे फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे जवाहरलाल नेहरू, उन्होंने डैम्स को टेम्पल्स ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया भी कहा था. Now the next is major dams and rivers in India. Some important multi-purpose dams and rivers in India are, name of the dam is Bhavani Sagar, found in Tamil Nadu on the river Bhavani. Second is Tungabhadra Dam in state Karnataka on the river Tungabhadra. Next, Rihand Dam in state Uttar Pradesh on the river Rihand. Methan Dam found in state Jharkhand on the river Barakar. Koyna Dam found in state Maharashtra on Koyna. Bisalpur Dam found in state Rajasthan on Banas River. Metu Dam in state Tamil Nadu found on river Kaveri. Krishna Raja Sagar Dam in Karnataka on the river Kaveri. Indira Sagar Dam located in Madhya Pradesh on river Narmada. Cheruthoni Dam in Kerala on the river Cheruthoni. Sardar Sarovar Dam found in Gujarat on the river Narmada. Next, Nagarjun Sagar Dam in state Telangana on the river Krishna. Hirakund Dam located in Odisha on river Mahanadi. Bhakra Nagal Dam located in state Punjab Himachal Pradesh border on Satluj river. Last is Tehri Dam which is located in Uttar Pradesh on Bhagirathi Dam. Now it's the time of fact and learn. Read the clues and solve the given puzzle. By clues you can solve the puzzle. A large body of salty water which is ocean. So OCEAN, ocean, which is a large body of salty water. Like this you can do the remaining other. Now the next topic is conservation of water. So water is very important for all the living things, all living species living on earth. We use water for many purposes and we need water every day in our life. So there is a need to conserve and save water. Water is very important for all living things. We need water to drink, cook, clean and grow food, but water is limited, so we must save it. Water is limited, तो हमें इसे save करना चाहिए. We need water for drinking, cooking, cleaning and for growing food. What are the ways to save water? First is turn off the tap. Do not keep the tap running while brushing our teeth. So while brushing the teeth, we should remain the tap off. Use a bucket instead of shower to save water. तो हमें bathing के time bucket use करनी चाहिए instead of shower so that our water should not be wasted. Fix leaks. If a tap is leaking, tell an adult to fix it. तो अगर कोई tap leak कर रहा है, so immediately you should fix it. Reuse water. Use the water left after washing fruits and vegetables for watering plants and washing vehicles. So जो भी water हमारा fruits या vegetables के wash करने के बाद left over बचा हुआ रहता है, we should use it for watering plants and washing vehicles. Rainwater harvesting. Collect rainwater and use it for different purposes like watering plants and washing plants. तो रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग का मतलब है वी शुड कलेक्ट रेन वाटर एंड देन यूज इट फॉर मल्टी पर्पस लाइक वाटरिंग एंड वॉशिंग कार्स. Why should we save water? Because it is very important for every living beings. If we waste water, we do not have enough water in the future. तो अगर आज हम water waste करेंगे तो फ्यूचर में हमारे पास water shortage होगी. Many people do not get clean water to drink. आज की डेट में भी बहुत सारे लोगों को clean water नहीं मिलता for drinking and cooking. Water helps plants, animals and humans to live on earth. Clean water for a healthy life. We all need clean water for healthy life, for drinking, so that we should remain healthy. We need fresh and clean water for drinking and cooking. In cities, water reaches homes through taps, while in villages, people use well tanks or hand pumps. Drinking clean water can cause illness. If water looks dirty, we should boil it before drinking. So we all need fresh and clean water for drinking and cooking. ड्रिंकिंग क्लीन वाटर इलनेस को हमारे से दूर रख सकती है. अगर वाटर हमें डर्टी लग रहा है तो वी शुड बॉयल इट बिफोर ड्रिंकिंग. सिटीज में वाटर हमारे घरों तक कैसे पहुंचता है? बाय टैप्स एंड विलेजेस में पीपल यूज टैंक्स, हैंड पंप्स और tanks or hand pumps. So I hope students you have understood the chapter. Now let's begin with vocabulary. Irrigation, the process of supplying water to crops using canals, wells or tanks. Irrigation वो प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम वाटर सप्लाई करते हैं क्रॉप्स को कैनाल्स, वेल्स या टैंक्स की मदद से. रिसर्वियर, अ लार्ज नेचुरल और आर्टिफिशियल लेक. एक रिसर्वियर क्या है? एक लार्ज बड़ी सी नेचुरल या आर्टिफिशियल लेक जिसकी वजह से हम वाटर स्टोर करते हैं. ग्लेशियर्स क्या होते हैं? बड़े बड़े ह्यूज मासेस होते हैं आइस के जो कि फ्रेश वाटर स्टोर करते हैं. मल्टीपर्पज डैम, एक डैम जो कि इरिगेशन, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और फ्लड कंट्रोल के लिए बनाया जाता है. कंजर्वेशन यानी कि एक केयरफुल यूज या फिर प्रोटेक्शन किसी भी नेचुरल रिसोर्स लाइक वाटर. नाउ लेट अस क्विकली रिकॉल व्हाट वी हैव लर्नड इन दिस चैप्टर विद समरी पॉइंट्स. About 70% of earth water is salt water found in oceans, which is not used for drinking. Rain is the main source of water. Canals are channels dug to carry water from rivers or dams to fields. Tube wells are common in states like Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. A dam is a concrete structure built across a river to store water. Water is very important for all living things. We need fresh and clean water for drinking and cleaning. By drinking fresh water, we remain away from illness. And if water is looking dirty, we should boil it before drinking. Now exercise time, think and answer. Moving to the first exercise, take the correct option. What percentage of water is salt water? 50%, 97% or 25%? Option number B, 97%. Which canal is located in Rajasthan? Buckingham Canal, Agra Canal or Indira Gandhi Canal? Option number C. What is the main source of water? Rain, rivers or glaciers? Rain is the main source of water. Which state use tanks for irrigation? Tamil Nadu, Punjab or Uttar Pradesh? Option number A. What is the purpose of dam? To produce electricity, irrigation or both A and C? Both A and C. Next exercise, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Dash canals is located in Punjab. Sirhind Canal. Canals carry water from dash to fields, from rivers to fields. Tube wells are used to pump out underground water. Dams helps control floods. Drinking dirty water can cause illness. Next exercise, tick for the true and cross for the false statement. Most fresh water is frozen in glaciers. Yes, this is true. Tube wells are common in rocky areas. No, this is false. Dams are called temples of modern India. Yes, this is true. Boiling water makes it safe for drinking. This is also true. Water conservation is not important. No, this is false. Water conservation is important. So, thank you students. That's all for today. I hope you have understood it well. Now, we'll meet in our next class. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Take care. Bye-bye students.